How to find Deutsche Bank account number. Deutsche Bank is a major German multinational investment bank offering services in investment banking, corporate banking, asset management, and retail banking across 70-plus countries. Download the Deutsche Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then enter login ID and password to sign in. You can find your account number here. Your account number is typically printed on your bank statements. Look for a series of numbers that follow the bank sort code. If you have a checkbook associated with your Deutsche Bank account, the account number is printed on each check. It's usually located at the bottom, following the bank routing number. Contact Deutsche Bank's customer service. They can assist you after verifying your identity. That's it. Thanks for watching.